teachers and friends. My name is Vinsers of class 4. Today, I want to share you something that really matters to me. Our forests. Forests are not just groups of hundreds of groups of trees. They are also the lungs of our planet because they help us breathe. There is a special cycle on Earth, not just about the water cycle or life cycle, because there's a special system called the carbon cycle. As you can see, we breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. That's what animals breathe in. But plants are different because they breathe in carbon dioxide and breathe out our oxygen. Plants are one of the 6 forms of life, and they are very important. Now, there is one problem. Plants, like trees, are in big danger. Every year, humans cut down lots and lots of trees, which is for paper and wood. But that is illegal, since trees provide enough air for us to breathe and enough homes for small animals like squirrels and birds, and even snakes and frogs and monkeys and all those other kinds of things. Trees are a very important source of life. Now, I'm a small person. How can I first save plants? Well, small actions make a huge difference. You can even plant some plants in your homes. Chopping trees is illegal, and it can make the earth very sad. It might even cause too much floods, and even global warming, or even a dry earth and earthquakes. You might watch this in the news at the north of Vietnam. When you fight nature, nature fights back, not just passive guys. From the smallest seed to the ginormous redwood, we need to protect all different kinds of plants. Did you know that cutting down trees is called deforestation? Now, here are the things you need to protect the forests. 1. Use paper wisely. If you use too much paper, that means we have to cut down all the trees. So use paper wisely, and let's write and draw on both sides of the paper, so we don't need another piece of paper. Secondly, like I said, small actions make a big difference. You don't need a huge forest in your backyard like Hogwarts has in the Harry Potter series. You don't need the Whomping Willow or the Forbidden Forest. Just one tree can save the planet. Imagine planting only one tree every year. Imagine if the tree was actually ginormous and helpful. That would be super good. Thirdly, we must protect trees. This means not burning the trash or buying illegal wood. Try to cut down fewer trees and grow more of them. And finally, we must spread awareness. Talk to your family and friends why trees matter, because it spreads one idea to another. You see, forests are not just about trees. They're about air, they are about life, they are about food, they are about water, they are about everything we need for humans. So saving forests means saving life, and saving life means saving the future. This is why we should protect trees. Thank you for listening, and I hope you like this presentation. Bye.